Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we will learn about why we are going to learn about SQL. We can interact with database by using GUI. So why we are going to learn about SQL? GUI is easier than SQL. SQL is also very easy because it is fourth generation language. SQL makes better interaction with the database. It increases the performance. SQL is an exceptional reason programming language that is utilized to interface with databases. Suppose we have desktop or web application which store and retrieve data from database. We can perform this task by using SQL query. So SQL is very important language. SQL statements are used to perform tasks such as update data on a database or retrieve data from a database. We can insert, delete, update, filter data by using SQL commands. So SQL is very important language. Column, variable and expression has a contained data type. In SQL, which type of data column will store? You can use these data types while creating your tables. We are going to discuss some important data types in this video. Remember one thing, that is, it is possible may some DBMS not support few data types. So the first one is string data types. Text and varchar data types used to store string data. Text is used to store large amount of data. Varchar reserve space as much as required. Numeric data types. Numeric data types used to store numeric values. Money data type stores data like comma format. Date and time data types. Time, date and date time. Date and time data type used to store date and time respectively. Date time data type used to store date and time as a single value. So thank you for watching this video.